In this video, I'll show you step by step how to buy an options contract using the Interactive Brokers mobile app. If you have never bought an option before, I'll walk you through the entire process, from finding a stock and opening the options chain, to choosing your contract and placing your order. Let's get started. First, open the Interactive Brokers app and log into your account. Before placing any trade, make sure you are using the correct account. You can check which account you are currently viewing near the top left corner of the app. This is especially important if you have multiple accounts, such as a registered account and a margin account. Also, keep in mind that options trading requires the appropriate trading permissions on your account. Now tap the magnifying glass in the top right corner. Search for the stock or ETF that you want to trade options on. For this tutorial, I'll use this stock as an example. Tap on the stock from the search results and this will take you to its main page. Here you can see information such as the current share price, price chart, and other market details. To view the available options, tap on the Options tab. This will open the options chain. If you are new to options, the options chain might look a little confusing at first, but there are really just a few main things you need to look at. First, choose the expiration date. The expiration date is the date when the options contract expires. You will normally see several expiration dates available, so make sure you select the correct one before moving on. Next, choose your strike price. The strike price is the price associated with the option contract you are buying. You will see call options on one side of the options chain and put options on the other. Depending on your app settings and layout, the positions may be different, so always check whether you are selecting a call or a put before placing your order. Once you find the contract you want, tap on it. You should now see an options window appear near the bottom of the screen. Tap on this window to open the order details. Here, you can review information about the contract and prepare your order. You should see a bid price and an ask price. The bid is generally the highest price buyers are currently offering, while the ask is generally the lowest price sellers are currently asking for. Now enter the number of contracts you want to buy. Be careful with the quantity here. For standard equity options, one contract generally represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Next, enter your limit price. A limit order allows you to set the maximum price you are willing to pay for the option. Remember that option prices are generally quoted on a per share basis. So, for a standard contract representing 100 shares, an option quoted at $1 would generally cost $100 per contract, before commissions and fees. Once you have entered your quantity and limit price, tap Preview. Take a moment to carefully review everything before submitting the order. Check that you selected the correct stock, expiration date, strike price, call or put, number of contracts, and limit price. The preview screen will also show you the estimated cost of the trade, including applicable commissions and fees. If everything looks correct, follow the on-screen slider to submit your buy order. Your order has now been submitted. Keep in mind that submitting a limit order does not guarantee that it will be filled. The order will only execute if the option can be purchased at your limit price or better, while the order is active. You can check your orders section to see whether the order has been filled, is still pending, or has been cancelled. And that's it. That's how you buy an options contract using the Interactive Brokers mobile app. Options involve significant risk, so make sure you understand the contract you are trading, including the expiration date, strike price, and potential risk, before placing an order. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.